Hi, this is Sabiha Fatima and you're watching the series Know Your Constituency and Your Leaders. Today we are talking about GOKAK. Candidates from GOKAK for the upcoming elections 2023 are Chandrakumar from JDS, Mahantesh Kadadi from Indian National Congress, Ramesh Jarkiholi from BJP. In 2019, Jarkiholi Ramesh Lakshman Rao of the Bharatiya Janata Party won the seat by defeating Lakshman Rao Jarkiholi of the Indian National Congress with a margin of 29,006 votes. According to Hindu Puranas, GOKAK was a part of Kuntal country. It was the land of hunting tribes. GOKAK is surrounded on one side by a range of hills and on the other side by a vast plain of black soil. The river Ghat Prabha flows from the north side of the city and cascades down through a cliff of 167 feet to form GOKAK Falls before flowing through the city. Since the colonial era, a hydroelectric station under the waterfall has been used to power GOKAK mills, one of the largest manufacturers and exporters of yarn in India. The river Markandeya, a tributary of the Ghat Prabha, dashes down through 43 feet stepwise hill plates to form Godachinamalaki Falls. The GOKAK is a state assembly constituency in the Belgaum district and Mumbai Karnataka region of Karnataka and is a part of the Belgaum parliamentary constituency. GOKAK is divided into 31 city municipal council wards, and as per 2018 general elections data, there are a total of 238,221 voters in the constituency that include general voters, NRI voters and service voters. The approximate literacy rate is 72%. The Indian National Congress won the seat in 2008 assembly elections, 2013 assembly elections and also in the 2018 Karnataka assembly elections with a margin of 14,280 votes against BJP candidate.